In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneNote in a Zoom meeting. If you want to present notes, meeting agendas, brainstorming ideas, or live updates from OneNote. While you're on a Zoom call, the process is very simple. The key is to make sure your OneNote window is already open and ready before you begin sharing, so everything looks smooth and organized when other people start viewing your screen. Once you're in your Zoom call or meeting, look for the screen sharing controls in Zoom. This is the point where you'll begin presenting your content to the other participants. If you haven't already, it's a good idea to have your OneNote notebook open to the exact page you want to show. That way, you won't need to search for it while everyone is waiting. Next, choose OneNote. In the Zoom sharing options, you'll see different windows or applications that are currently open on your computer. Find the OneNote window among those choices. This step is important because selecting the specific app window instead of your entire screen can help keep your presentation cleaner and more private by only showing the content you want others to see. After that, select OneNote. Make sure you click on the correct OneNote window, especially if you have more than one notebook or multiple application windows open. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the right page or notebook section before you continue. This can help avoid confusion and make your presentation feel more polished. Then, click Share. As soon as you do, Zoom will begin displaying your OneNote window to everyone in the meeting. You can now scroll through your notes, point out important sections, or guide people through the information in real time. If you're presenting detailed notes, moving slowly and keeping your cursor steady can make it easier for viewers to follow along. One helpful tip is to expand your OneNote window as much as possible before sharing so the text appears larger and easier to read. You may also want to zoom in on your notes inside OneNote if the content is small. That can be especially useful for participants joining from smaller screens, and that's all there is to it. During your Zoom meeting, open the sharing options, choose OneNote, select the correct OneNote window, and click Share. With just a few clicks, you can present your notes clearly and keep your meeting focused and organized.